everyone, I'm Paige Baiocchi, also known as Paige Lindenberg. I'm from the automotive and racing industry, and I've been working with BabyYumYum as a car expert for the last 2 years or so, and it's been the most amazing journey. And we're finally on our journey of having our own little one, so looking so forward to working with BabyYumYum a bit more as the journey goes on. We're like 3 or 4 weeks away from giving birth, and I'm feeling pretty uncomfortable. This lower pain is next level, so yeah, it's just been quite an uncomfortable week or two, but work's also been kicking my butt, and the heat wave in Joburg has been real. So I think it's a combination of everything, but we're going to quickly just run through my hospital bag and what I've packed. Just so you have an idea. I've gone off lists from Santon Clinic that they advised on, and also some advice from family and friends who have been through it. Just going to do a quick run through of what's in our hospital bag. So they advised on dark face cloths. I'm not 100% sure if they're for me or the baby, but I do have one for the little baby, just in case, and then I've got some for me. Sterilized dummies. We got a little Nook, our first dummy, and these are also Nook silicone dummies, and a lovely little dummy case, just to keep it all hygienic. And we got a little dummy clip that we got for our baby shower, and then a few long sleeve baby grows that, you know, you obviously need a change of clothes, and they say nothing sentimental because obviously baby has a few different kinds of juices on him when he'll come out, so they say nothing too sentimental, so just some comfy little baby grows. We've got a few little muslin blankets, a feeding cloth to go over for some privacy. We have got a private room, but you know, visitors come and go, so a little bit of privacy. A really special teddy from very close friends for him. A few little vests, some hats. I was advised on Huggies Zero nappies for hospital and for very newborn, because ones are sometimes too big. So we've got some Huggies Zero over here, a few pairs of little socks. We are doing a circumcision bris, so from my religious side, my family are Jewish, so we're going to be doing a little bris. We've chosen to do it in hospital with a rabbi there. So we've got linen savers for that. And then I've got a little bag for some washing. So that's most of the baby stuff. They also do give you quite a lot at Santon Clinic for the baby, from what I understand, toiletry wise. Then feeding pillow. From my side, the most important things are your documents for home affairs, because they come to the hospital to do the birth certificate. So marriage certificates, copies of our IDs, both my husband and myself, and then our baby on board sign, and then the little welcome to the world sign to fill in with a permanent marker and 2 black pens. So that's all of our important documentation. And then this is a Frida tummy wrap for C-section, some little pad liners, some disposable maternity underwear that looks really sexy, some compression socks, which I've heard are really important and good for Caesars. This is the most amazing little kit that my sister in the States bought us for breastfeeding from Frida. So it's got all the essentials in here, which is super cool. Breast pads, maternity pads, slippers, pajamas, hair dryer, hairbrush, and then I still need to pack a few of my like personal clothes and stuff. And then in the nappy bag for now, we've got the little nappy changer, which is quite nifty with nappies and wet wipes. So got that. And then in the nappy bag for now, I've actually just put all of the like medicine type of stuff. So for the circumcision bris, we've got Bactroban with 2 syringes for some medication if they need. We've also got earbuds for the umbilical cord. We've got gauze for the Bactroban for the bris, and cotton pads as well. And then we've got Vaseline, which apparently really helps with nappy changes in the beginning with a newborn baby. Calpol for the bris. Rescue drops for me. Surgical spirits for the umbilical cord. I don't know if it's for the breast as well. I think it might be actually. And then this pacifier little like sanitizer spray. Yeah, that's mostly what we've got packed. Oh, and then blankets I washed yesterday. So I haven't finished packing those yet, but we're going to take a few like thinner swaddle blankets because it's quite hot in Joburg at the moment. And then we'll take 1 or 2 warmer blankets just in case. Because obviously their temperature's not really regulated when they are born initially. Yeah, that's my bag. That bag is for my husband to pack into, which I need to get him to do pretty soon because he has to have clothes, shoes and a few other requirements. So yeah, we're mostly there and very ready to meet this little guy and get comfortable again. Thank you so much.
Baby yum yum, oh so cute.